Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a review. I didn't intentionally want to do this type of video, but I just have to talk about it. I did like a little experiment. So first let's talk about my hair. So this wash and go that you see here is officially 1 week old. Like I literally Sunday to Saturday have not done anything else in my hair, have not restyled my hair, have not rewashed my hair. This is a week old wash and go, and I'm actually really proud of it. This is the first time I feel like I actually got to rock a wash and go. And this, I feel like this is the first time I got to rock a wash and go this long without having to rewash my hair or recondition my hair or comb it out or detangle it or anything like that. And mind you, I have not all week slept with my hair protected, so just randomly while, and I sleep crazy. So usually when I wake up in the morning, my hair is kind of like flat, really like flat in the back. It's really, sometimes it gets matted really fast. But this is literally all week. And then I love how it looks today because it looks really, really full. And all I did was just re-add the Camille Rose Naturals. This is from the coconut water collection. This is the coconut water hydrating elixir. So I just added a little bit of water and just sprayed some of this like on the top, a little bit in the back, just to kind of like reliven the curls. And this is where I am today. So off with my rant. I'm going to show you how I use the entire collection, except one product I didn't use, but how I use the entire collection to achieve my wash and go. If you guys want to see how I use the entire water collection from Camille Rose Naturals, go ahead and continue watching this video.
Alright, so starting out with my hair, as you all can see, it looks crazy. My hair definitely needs to be done. So of course to wash, I'm starting out with the Camille Rose Naturals Coconut Co-Wash. So this is a very moisturizing co-wash. So usually usually I do a shampoo then conditioner, but I actually like the idea of a co-wash because it moisturizes and doesn't feel so drying as some shampoos may feel. But this was actually very soothing to my scalp because I do get dry scalp, so that helped me. So I'm just going to work that in my hair. So that takes away from that. So next I'm going to do the deep conditioning. So I'm using the coconut water deep penetration treatment. So what that's going to do, I'm kind of detangling with it as well. It's a very thick product and it's very good to coat your hair and detangle. If you can do that, I went ahead and finger detangled my hair. So it did feel very, very good. My hair, see, that's all that I got. Usually I get more than that, which is pretty good. So then I'm going to put on a shower cap, let it sit for 10 minutes just so it can kind of marinate and really penetrate that moisture. So if y'all know me, I'm Caribbean as hell. My parents are Trinidadian, so I'm very Trinidadian. So I love anything coconut. But the one selling point for me with coconut in my hair is that it's very strong in vitamin K and also iron, which helps strengthen the hair as well as soften it. And that's exactly what I need. If you all saw my before I started this whole thing, my hair looked a little dry, a little mangled, and I need that softened to really bring back my curls. So after I let that sit for 10 minutes, I went ahead and t-shirt dried my hair. And I didn't actually use a towel. I know I usually do, but I'm trying to use other methods to really keep that moisture in. So next I'm using the hydrating elixir. So of course that's going to hydrate. It's a very soft moisturizer for the hair. It's very lightweight. That's why I like to use it to refreshen my curls, as I talked about in the beginning of the video. So as you guys can see, my hair looks very shiny. The moisture is there. It just feels really good and it's detangled. Like this is how I like to see my hair. So of course the style, I'm using the coconut style setter. So I am actually not using any type of gel. This is a good one product type of thing that I like to use, which is wonderful, and it does keep my hair moisturized and also defined. So I go ahead and take a good amount and I just kind of work it through. So that's what it looks like when it's straight, completely done off the style setter. And then obviously as the days go by, it starts to get a little bit more full, but this is it with its most definition. So I think it looks great and I'm loving how it looks here specifically. I cannot believe it.
So I hope you guys loved this video. If you do have anything from the coconut water collection from Camille Rose Naturals, let me know your thoughts and what you think, and if you've done this entire combination, how you use your wash and go, what's something that you love using right now. Definitely love to hear it. I definitely would give this collection a thumbs up out of all of them that I've used so far. Like, I love Camille Rose Naturals products, but I think this line is my absolute favorite. I know if you guys have seen, you guys might have seen the coconut water collections when I did that Flexi Rod stuff, but I love the coconut style setter. But I've never used the entire collection all together at one, and they had some new products, so I was happy that I got to try it. I'm loving the co-wash. My hair like feels amazing. I cannot wait to do this wash and go again. This is literally the longest time I've had my hair out all week. Usually by the third day I'll put my hair up, but I feel like I can leave it out still and it still looks great. If I put it up, I can put a scarf and kind of do like a pineapple and whatnot. But this collection, I just can't get over it. Like, I just wanna come closer so you guys can see it. So you got a little bit of frizz because you know it's old, but I still have my curls there. Everything is still intact, and I'm just loving the way it actually looks. So it came out pretty good, and I'm loving this natural lighting. I'm sitting in our room kind of towards the window, so it kind of brings out like that natural lighting. If you guys want to see more filming this way, let me know, because sometimes it's kind of hard to kind of get the studio lighting, especially if you don't already have it set up, which I don't right now. So it's just easier, just kind of like pop open the camera and just start filming. But yeah, like, I'm really loving this. There's not one product in this line that I don't like. I feel like everything kind of worked together and did what it needed to do. And for me to not have to put a whole bunch of product afterwards, after my wash and go, and style it and it still look great, that's always a number one in my collection. My hair still feels very moisturizing, and I'm definitely loving this elixir just to kind of refreshen the curls and bring back that life when you do have like a longer wash and go. But I love the volume that I'm getting today. It's definitely very big. Usually when I do my initial wash and goes, the volume is not very big initially, but as the days go by, I get more volume and I can pick out my hair because, one, it's 100% dry, and it kind of just, I don't know, I like how it looks. It's big. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at its.sarahmay. And I'll see you guys again on my next video. Bye!